Hi, this is Jillian, and today I'm going to run through how to use Fieldwire to report your safety observations while you're walking around the job site. Here I am on my D&K Ink project on my tablet, getting ready to walk around site. I'm currently on the Plans tab viewing the floor plan of Building 2, and I want to record a safety observation or issue. Let's say that there's something blocking my main egress path on the site. All I have to do is pin a task to the plan, and then can type into the messages or use my voice to text to enter the title, Debris Blocking Egress Path. I can take photos or a short video to document the issue and use the markup tools to make sure it's extra clear what the issue is. I can even add a checklist to communicate a standard procedure to follow when resolving this issue. Here you can see that I have several different checklist templates pre-saved on my project to choose from. I can also email out this task with all of its content to anyone, even if they aren't on Fieldwire. I'm going to use the @ symbol to assign this to the safety category, and to my super Bob. Bob will then receive a push notification so he instantly has all the info he needs to correct the issue. When he responds to the task, I will be notified with any updates. Even if I'm offline, I can document observations, and next time I connect to internet, everything will sync back with my team. Now let's jump into the web version of Fieldwire. From the Tasks tab, you can generate safety reports based off the tasks you've created during your walks. You can set up report templates or create a new one by clicking on Generate Reports. We have 3 different types of reports. A detailed report is the most common report because it includes photos and checklists and a complete history of all the tasks. In this example, I have filtered for only open task items under the safety category. I can input any recipients regardless if they use Fieldwire, and I can either send a one-off report or schedule a reoccurring report. For this report, I've set it up to go out every Monday morning, and it will contain all the open safety tasks. I no longer have to send multiple emails or call my subcontractors because they already have all the information they need to correct the issue. Here's an example of what a detailed report looks like, complete with my company logo. It will include all task content, crop plans, checklists, photos, and it will be timestamped down to the minute. That's a summary of how to use Fieldwire for safety reports. If you have any questions, please email us at support@fieldwire.com. Thanks for watching.